Okay, Sam, I've got a little demonstration video here that I've made for you for the set of custom navigation lights that you have ordered. This is your, I think you referred to this as you wanted a smancy fancy. So this is your, or fancy schmancy, whichever it was. These are for a SuperCub kit that you are building. And I wanted to make this demo video so you could make sure that these lights are doing exactly what you wanted them to do. This one's a little unusual, and so this will give you an opportunity to see what I've done. Let me show you what you're looking at here. I'm using one of my servo testers that I build to provide the signal for the board, so I don't have to have a transmitter and a receiver set up. This is the main circuit board, and you'll notice here on the top left-hand corner of the board is a small push button. That button is going to give you some features that you really didn't ask for, but that's going to give you the ability to change the pattern and the strobe rate on the two wingtip strobes and the simulated speed, rotational speed of the red beacon. So let me show you how it works here. I'm going to advance the signal. Now on your set you wanted 5 modes, so you're going to use a knob or a slider. As you advance the channel, of course this is mode 1, this is all your lights off. As you advance the channel a little bit, you see that your 3 navigation lights, red, green, and the white tail cone come on, and the strobes and the simulated rotating beacon start to operate. And those are the 2 white wingtip strobes and the red simulated rotating beacon. Now I'm going to use this push button to change the patterns and just run through them right quick and let you see what your options are. This is the single blink slow beacon rotation. I'm going to press the button once and you'll see now that it goes to a double blink with the same slow pattern on the rotating beacon. The third press will go back to a single blink with a faster rotating pattern. The fourth push will give you a double blink with the medium speed. The fifth push gives you back to single blink, but now we're at a much faster rotating speed. And the sixth one is the one I think I probably like the best, but this gives you a quick double blink on your wingtip strobes, and you have a quick pulse or rotating speed on the beacons. Now the circuit will memorize the current setting after about 20 seconds and will store it to memory so that once you've selected the pattern you like, every time you turn the circuit on, every time you turn the plane on, it will default back to that pattern until or unless you change it. So that's a nice feature that I don't think you even asked for. Now I'm going to advance the channel just a little bit further, and you'll see that the landing lights come on, the 4 landing lights come on in the wigwag pattern as you requested. This is going to happen around the center of the channel, somewhere slightly below the center of the channel, but close to it. And then as the channel crosses over the center of the channel, you'll see that the landing lights come on solid. Everything else is still working. The only caution I would make on this for you, Sam, is to make sure that your end points on the channel do not exceed 100% in the upper. Don't go past positive 100. It won't give you any benefit to go to, like, say 120 or 140. And what it will do is if you go too high, it's going to cause the beacons and the wingtip strobes to cut off just because of the nature of the programming on that top chip. But if you keep it under 100%, then that gives you the upper mode that you wanted. We'll back it down a little bit, and you'll see the landing lights go back to the wigwag flashing. And then we'll back it down a little bit further, and the landing lights will go off. Oops, I went a little too far. Here we go. Landing lights go off. You still have strobes and beacons, and then you actually have a 6th mode here. If you want to use it, you can back it down just a little bit, and your navigation lights stay on. So that's the operation. I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube and send you the link. let you take a look, make sure everything's doing what you want it to do, and if it is, I'll get it boxed up and shipped out to you probably in the morning. Thanks a lot, Sam.